When I started the firm 1980, a long time ago, I intentionally set myself apart. We're going to be big enough and technologically advanced and educated enough that each one of my attorneys and staff concentrates in their areas of law. So when you go to them, you're getting the same quality legal work that you would get in a big city law firm where they have specialists. Because for people, there's certain times when legals do matter, and it's when it affects them.
This firm keeps to their word, and they're responsive. And that's very important to me. They're there when I need them. And Patrick has handled several closings for us. And some business matters, some conservatorship, a lot of different things, legal aspects that we depended on him for.
The most fulfilling I find working with my clients is having that one-on-one relationship. And it's not just with me, it's with my paralegals. We are very much a unit, and I really let our clients know that. And once you're in that unit, in that family, helping them, guiding them, it might not just be with estate settlements. It could go into real estate, it can go into estate planning, of having that exposure to the other areas and guiding them in whatever they need. The most rewarding thing about what I do is having that relationship with the client, and that I think that speaks volumes.
I primarily focus on residential real estate and commercial real estate. We are one of the larger firms in the area. If there's a closing in this county, it's usually us on one side of it. It's the name being here the longest, and the experience that every attorney here has. And I think just the reputation of each attorney here that has experience in the areas of law that they practice. So I think that's what we really mean, that we're here for you when you need a lawyer, and a good lawyer, and you need advice and somebody to be in your corner.
The things that the Prue Law Group values that I also value are the sense of community, the kindness that's shown. When you walk into the office, it's the first thing that you notice is the welcoming environment, and it's clear that everybody is willing to help you. My philosophy towards client service is the more communication, the better. I really like to talk to my clients and touch base at least once a week, or to know when they should expect something from the court or from me, and give them an accurate timeline so they're prepared for what is to come through the process. When working with an attorney, I think clients value the communication and the ability to explain to them the legal principles in an everyday sort of way, because it can get very complicated very fast.
So we'll put a visual in front of them and show them how we get the problem from where they are now to where we want to be, and explain to them why we want to be in a certain place and the benefits to them, and walk them step by step by step. I approach it with the viewpoint that you're part of my family. What are the hot issues they've got? What are their concerns? What would I do to fix them? One of the things I try to do with the clients all the time is tell them, let me take the stress, so that they leave saying, all right, we have a problem, but he's got a solution, it's going to be okay. And that's why we've been as successful as we are. So they feel like there's somebody, not just a file number.
Well, I would definitely recommend, and I have recommended the Prue Law Group to my son, who's a businessman, and he has used them on several occasions. And I don't think he would go anywhere else, just like me.